it's that time. So welcome to another episode of the Cobra Daytona build. This episode, I'm gonna get the body on. Came with the body on, we took it off immediately. The body has not been on the chassis for 6 months. So I got everything kind of blankets over the roll cage. I don't want to scratch that. This panel here is off. I put these on because I've been told that these can stay on due to Paul on the forum. He said, yeah, no reason why you can't. So those are already on and riveted. So I hope that he's right, but he usually is. So no problems there. So as you can see, it's pretty well protected. I'm just waiting for my wife to come out. I got a friend here, and then we're going to throw this body on. So I'm going to let the camera kind of run as we're doing this. Okay. So yeah, should be interesting, and hopefully the body will go on for the last time, but I may have to pull it back off because I want to put a tow hook back here, and the tow hook's going to have to come out somewhere into here. I'm hoping I can pick this bracket up for the wing, and then just bolt a plate, and then a threaded hole that I can then screw in a tow hook, pull it in or out. But I don't know. I think it's going to be too far that way. I think I'm going to have to kind of do some more welding. If that's the case, body's got to come back off so I can weld some sort of fixture on here to pick that thing up. But I don't know, we'll figure it out. So yeah, watch the body go on. Thanks. And then just make sure you...
How high do you want us? There, except we can't hit the roof.
Yeah, there you go. Now you guys are good right there. Just keep on sliding it on in.
Why do you have towels on?
So I don't scratch the roll cage. All right. Okay. You guys got to come up more. We got to go way forward.
Come up more. All right. I'm scraping on something. I'm scraping on the roll bar down here.
Okay, good. Hold on, that's how I can go up. Can you guys get your nose up a little higher and clear the roll cage?
As high as you
There
want.
you go, there you go. Okay, now you pass the roll cage there?
Yes.
Okay, so now you should check your side over there, dear. Make sure you're not hitting on anything. Hold on.
I'm going to hit the roll cage here too.
All right, okay, start dropping it down. You just watch the roll cage
I'm
there.
hitting the roll cage.
Right,
I will hit it.
Hold on.
I don't know how
Hold on.
much I can pull out.
So is she staying at your house?
No, she's watching Wolfie.
You got it.
She stayed at our house and watched our dog.
This thing's got to go forward a little bit because we're...
Okay, I'm pulling out a little bit here.
Okay.
Can we drop it?
Yeah, as long as you can. Okay, dear, pull.
Hooked on.
Yeah, don't let us hit the roll cage. Back it away from the roll cage. Now start to go down.
Well, there's a thing in the wedding.
Yeah, you're hitting me. I'm way farther over than more than Chris. There we go.
I gotta go around this, right?
Yeah. It's okay. Keep coming down. Okay, I gotta drop. Your car's gotta go forward a little bit more now.
Okay. I'm actually below the.
The black thing?
Yeah,
Okay, now.
because there's more space if you do that.
Okay.
It's supposed to
Okay, hold on. I think I gotta bring the body forward a little more forward. Okay, hold on. Coming at you. Okay. How are you doing on your side, Nick?
Well, I think I'm good.
Okay, dear. Bring it down.
I think we may need to.
Bring it down. Bring it down. Bring it down. Bring it down.
How far? I think we need to go forward a little bit more, don't we? I can't tell. when
Hold
we're
on
done.
here. Let me. Yeah, we definitely gotta. I'm gonna come forward.
Yeah, that seems like it's great. Aren't you supposed to pull those towels out?
Yeah, I'll get those out. They'll come out. Okay, I think you're good. So that's it. That took 3 minutes and 29 seconds. The body is now officially on. So as you can see, it looks good. I'll go in through and start aligning it. As you can see, I put the dash underneath the body. So I did not go over the top because I didn't want that hard angle. Now looking at it, I think if I did go over the top, the dash would be funny. So I'm gonna leave it that way for now. But yeah, body's on. So thanks again. Appreciate you watching. Quick video, thanks.